So this is the Deluxe probes with the vacuum gauge. So first time using it today. So there are your wireless gauges, your clamps, 2 wireless hygrometers, wireless vacuum gauge, and wireless outdoor temp. So right now I'm going to hook it up to the app. Alright, so here is the UEI app. So this is the home screen. Nothing is set up yet. You got your units, pressure, temperature, enthalpy, vacuum, rate, elevation, units, and you can set anything you want depending on your area. I'm going back to the home screen right now. So I'm going to take the first wireless probe and turn it on. Obviously you can set your refrigerant as well. So we're gonna go 410A. Alright, so now nearby tools. So this one just turned on. It is the WPP1, and I'm going to drag this to my suction, and I'm going to put a little blue sticker on it that comes with the unit, so I know nobody gets it messed up reading the wrong pressures. And as soon as you turn them back on or open them up, they're going to get remembered and they're going to be in the right place, so don't have to worry about that. Next are the hygrometers. So you're going to go over here to the air side, and this is going to give you, it's going to read everything. Relative humidity, dew point, enthalpy. So right now, there we go. I'm going to drag that one to supply, because I already have my little red dot on there. I'm going to put a red dot because I'm a boiler guy. So red is supply for me. I'm going to go blue for return. Nice and easy. I can remember it. Now I have my hand over the return side, so I know that one is going up, and my supply side right now is just reading outdoor temperature because I'm out by my truck. We're all set up. We'll read again from here once everything's hooked up. Alright, got it all hooked up. Wireless outdoor temp sensor. 2 probes here which are pivoting both ways, and temperature clamps. Here are the stickers that I was talking about. And what's really nice about this is that they have a separate port here so that you don't need a access T if you have to add refrigerant, and take a hose with a ball valve end and hook it up. Ball valve end here to the tank upside down, and you can add little by little through here. So we go hook up the hygrometers here. All right, here we are back on the app. Everything is running currently. So at the top here, we're going to start on the suction side. 132 psi. Line temperature that's reading from my clamp is about 54 degrees. Vapor saturation 45, 46. Outdoor dry bulb 74. Target superheat, that's just going based off the indoor wet bulb and the outdoor temperature. But for these Amana systems, you're looking at 6 to 8 on the subcooling and 7 to 9 on the superheat with a TXV. So I'm right in range. Now, liquid side, 8 on the subcooling. Line pressure is 256, 257. Liquid saturation, 85.5, and the line temp is 76. So let's go to the air side, and my delta is sitting very nicely at 18.5. Now, return dry bulb is 74.6. return wet bulb 67.7, supply 56 dry, and supply wet bulb 55. So I can charge everything from outside. I'm looking at my Delta T while I am checking my charge. So this is the UEI Test Instruments Smart Probe Deluxe, the Hub 8. This thing is really nice.